we doing, Jeff?
How you doing?
Good.
You can't stop me right now.
Why is that?
Because I'm turning myself in before 2 o'clock. I gotta go to Walmart, the gas station, and take this truck back home, and I'm being brought back to town.
Okay, roll the window down for me.
No.
Well, roll the window down. Jeff, if I have to smash the window, you're going to catch another charge. Okay? Hop out the truck, and we can talk about it, Jeff.
No, we're not.
Jeff, hop out of the vehicle. Who are you trying to call? Okay, and I'll make a phone call.
You can do it right now before I take off.
Okay, well, hop out the truck then. Who are you trying to call?
I'm calling, right now I'm calling Kurt the bondsman, because he always talks to the captain. I'm turning myself in before 2 o'clock.
Unit over.
Jeff, if you leave, you're going to be committing a flee and elude. Okay, well, I still need you to get out of the vehicle, okay? Jeff, you're going to catch another charge, buddy. You're going to end up going to prison if you end up doing something stupid.
I'm going to prison anyway. That's why I'm turning myself in. You've been good to me, man.
I know, and I'm trying to be polite and trying to help you. But put the car in park.
1304.
I was with them, I was more westbound from Michigan. Northbound, check it. Northbound on the 57. Northbound on the 57. There's a westbound 57. Turning on the 39. Turning north on the 39. Clear traffic.
Northbound 39th Street, 60 miles an hour, no traffic, 1311.
Felony stop.
Copy, felony stop, 1312.
Felony stop.
Hands up!
Copy, felony stop, 1312.
What don't you understand? Keep them there! My phone, I keep it at 2 o'clock. Why are you not doing this?
Get out. Open it. Open it. I'll smash it. Open.
I'm gonna.
Open it now.
I am. Don't grab me. I'm already hurt.
Hop on out. Step out.
I'll get out. Can my brother come get my truck?
Quit reaching.
I ain't got nothing, dude.
Turn around, face the car. Turn around, face the car now.
I am.
Turn around and face the car.
Which way?
Right there.